How to add the new photo widget in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add the photo widget in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your home screen. So now once you are in, you just have to tap and hold it. So once you are in, as you can see that here in the top left corner there is the plus icon, you just have to tap on it. And from here you are in the widgets. Now from here you have to add the photo widget. For that you just have to click on this photos featured, and here you have to add the widget. Now here you can add your featured photos and your memories that you want to add. You just have the different featured, like here you just have to click on the add widget, and from here you are able to add the photo widget in your iPhone. So after adding it, you just have to click on the done and you are able to add the photo widget in your iPhone. So if you want to delete it, you just have to tap on it, and from here you can also remove the widget. And here is the confirmation to remove your widget. You just have to click on it, and this is how you can add or remove your photo widget in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.